Okay, I'm trying this butter chicken. I got it at a local store in Japan. It's butter chicken curry. I guess it's kind of the most popular Indian food, maybe internationally, but also in Japan. And this is made by a Japanese spice company called S&B. It's about $3 US dollars. So it's a very oily red texture, and usually with rice or bread. It's pretty good taste, more light than Japanese curry, and has a lot of meat in here. It's a lot of chicken meat. So overall, the taste is pretty good, and I added some parsley on top.